Meaning of Home Rule.
Home Rule.
Home Rule.
Home Rule.
Home Rule. Home rule is the granting of a certain degree of power and autonomy to a local government body by a higher-level authority. This typically involves allowing the local government to make decisions and pass laws that are specifically relevant to their community, rather than having those decisions made by a centralized government. The result of home rule can vary depending on the specific circumstances, but it often leads to a greater sense of local control and participation in the political process, as well as more tailored and responsive policies that reflect the needs and preferences of the community.